we are going to first download the Inshot app. For that, you need to go to the Play Store, where you will going to type Inshot options. Now you can see this is how it will look like. So just click in the install button. After that, it will look like this. So you will going to do open option, where you will get this type of icon. So as you can see here, this is collage, photo and video. If you want to decorate one single particular photo, then you will going to click here. As you will click on this, they will ask you to allow, so you have to allow it. Now I'm going to select any one of the photo. As I have selected, it will look like that. Now I can make changes, like the filter option you can choose from here, and then adjust. Adjust is the thing like brightness and all, you will going to adjust the contrast and all. So after completing this, you can add some effect, like here the glitch effect and so many other. There is also a pro version, that means all are not free. For that you have to pay. Then there is a background option, like you can see here. The background you can change from here. You can add this type of background or this type of, or whether this one. So for example, if I am choosing this, so it will look like that. Or again, if I want to choose this one, it will look like this. So after doing this, you can use and many more options, like a crop. If you want to crop it, like you want to do like this, so you can crop it from downwards also, you can crop it, whatever want you. So you can change the canvas option, where it will be limited, and then you will do, so it will look like this. You can add some stickers. The stickers already here in the system, that is free. Few of them are, yes, like you can see here, this is only for pro versions. So it will get, you can get this type of option in videos also when you will going to select it. तो आपको इस तरह के options मिलेंगे. If you want to buy, then you have to buy from here. So I'm not going to buy this, I'm doing the free version. You have to cut it, and there is many more options. So this is how you can use all these things and your thing is okay. So if you want to draft it, यानी आप इसको बाद के लिए रखना चाहते हैं, to make some more changes, then you have to do this. And there is, because it's the first time, so you will if you will click on this, it won't be saved, so you have to just close it, and then it will directly draft it. So I'm again going to on this. As you can see, Inshot is here. As you will open it, sometime you can see some screen there for asking for the pro version to upload it. So we have done the photo option, same as the collage option. There you can use maximum of 6, 7. See, you can select at least 9. So we have selected 9 photos here, and this is look like this. You can change the layout option, like the style will change like this, so many other options. And then you can change the border also. If you want to give a curved line, you have to make like this. So just look at here, all the photos have their own curve. You can make the things like this, so there will be a gap, and this is like between each and every photo you have selected, in between the gap will be, like if I am putting like this, it will look like this. So you can do this. The same option here, background, effect, stickers, you can add. Even you can add the text here. Frame you can change, like the frame is square, this is already here. If you want to make it a heart, then it will look like this, and many more. So this is how you will going to do the collage option in your Inshot app. So as you can see, you are using first time, so all the time you will get the discard option. If you want to draft it, you have to cut the whole app directly, otherwise it won't be saved. Again we'll going back to the Inshot. So you can see here, now the collage option is here. You can do it again, but now we will going to learn how to create video through Inshot app using your phone. Just click on the video option. Here is the video. You can see, you can select any of the pictures and all you wanted to, or if you want to add something pictorial, you will just click on the blank option and then you can select anything. Here the option all means there is photos, videos together. If you want to select only photos, then you will get all the photos, and if you select only video, you can see here the video option, so you can select any of the video. So as you will select it and click on the tick option, you will see the screen will show you this type of option. So this is how they are teaching you that you have to drag. You can drag it till end, you can drag it in a shorter. आपको जितना लंबा करना है आप उसको drag करके लंबे कर सकते हैं. So there is a next option and then you will say OK. So it will look like this. The screen will look like this. Now you can see the watermark here, Inshot option. If you will be the pro version, the Inshot mark won't be there. You can remove it. Otherwise you have to remove permanently. For that you need to pay 350 rupees, or if you want to remove free, then you'll click on the remove option and they will show you some ad here. You can mute the option and you have to wait till this will do the 0 second remain. Then it's look like this. You will just close it and your Inshot watermark is gone. So this is the first thing you will going to do this. Now as I have selected the blank option, now just look at here, they have option of trim. You can trim it from here, like you can drag. I have given 28.3 second. You can drag even more. Next I have selected another photographs. You can choose any videos also. So this is how it's look like. Now if you want to make any particular subject, topic, anything, like you are talking about the traveling, so you can do what, add the stickers. There is an option like that. So first, like you can see the share option. The share thing you can put it here as you have your own. See, they are showing you the select one to edit. Click on the handle to quick navigate to clip end or video clip. That means the drag option we have used, they are showing that one. So you will select OK. So this is what the sticker I have selected. I can do the share option till my all the blank of things, or I can keep it till here. So I can use the split option and delete this portion, so it will remain till here only. Why I have added the share, like we are using our YouTube channels and all, we are doing share, subscribe, so this is one of the option you can. Now you will select this one. You can adjust anywhere you want to, keep it here, there, anywhere. Now you can drag it to the smaller size and keep it any of the side. Now you have understand till here. There is again, I want to add YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel like this. So you will click on the stickers. Now these are the free stickers you can see, and many other stickers also. Along with that, there is some more options like GIF. You will click on this. As you will click, you can see there is a GIF option. They are trending, that means whatever daily used, like good morning, good night, and so many more. There is another option, sticker. You can see a lot of sticker here, but I want to add subscribe option. So I will just write the subscribe option and click the search button. I will see a lot of stickers here. I am going to select this one and just look at here. The subscribe option is here. You can drag it anywhere if you want to. So you can trim, you can size, resize, you can make it any of the size you want. Throughout the video the subscribe option will be, then you can do till the end. If you want, no, I want to keep it for a small span of time, so you can keep it like this. If you want to delete it, you can trim, and you can directly select and delete option is here. Another thing is here, the copy option. As you will select any of this, if you want to copy this share option, just copy. You can't see anything, but here is another copy. Another option is here, duplicate. So I want to duplicate this one. Duplicate means it will drag till here. So as I duplicate it, ये वाली जो है 2 times in their size. If this is only for the 5 second or something, 8 second, so this has become 16 second. It's like that. So this is how you can do few of these options. Now if you want to delete it, just click on the sticker option. Okay, let me show you again. If you want that, I don't want to keep this one, but when you will click on this, it won't. But for deleting this thing, this icon, you have to click on the sticker option. Again, you want to select either from here or directly from here, anywhere. So just cross this. Even you want to delete this one, you can directly use this or from here. So all the options deleted, as you can see here. Now there is a music option. Like the same thing happened here. You have to select, you can resize, you can drag till end, you can copy, duplicate, so many options. Same option is here also. So tracks are already here in the Inshot. So many tracks are here. There is some other effect. Instead of showing you my music, I am showing you effects. That means there is so many more options, like the laughter. There is a baby laughter 2, 3, so many options you can add. This will be in a short clips only. Now imported musics you can extract from your audio, from your video. If you have any movies or songs video here and you want to add it in your phone in this Inshot app, so what you will do, just extract the audio from video and taking the video, and now they will going to extract. You can save extracted audio. If you will click on this one, it will be directly added in your phone. But I don't want to, just to show you, So I have done this. So it will be added here. Now my music is like whatever in your phone is in an audio version, all audios will be here. Even if you have some recording options, so that recording thing will also be there. So my music is basically whatever in the audio version in your phone already there. So I am going to select this, any one of this. Here the option to download, just listen to the music. So if you want to download it, you have to download it. Now there is an option of use. When you are going to use, the video is already there. Now select the volume. You can make it, the sound will be for 15%. If you want to make it more loudly, the sound will be increased. So you can do that. If you want to make it short, so as you can see, this is already selected option. So split and delete. If you think no, I have done the mistake, I have to revive it again, मुझे फिर से इसको वापस लाना है, here is a undo option. Just click here and you will get it back. So this is how you can do till now.